Hello friends, today we will be doing a load balancing using Nginx. It's pretty easy to do these kind of load balancing using Nginx when it comes to Node.js containers and everything. It's pretty easy to spin up multiple containers using Docker, but at the same time to do the load balancing we use Nginx. Let's start the demo. This is a pretty simple Express application. You see over here we only have one route, and this is going to spin up a Node.js application based on the port number what we provide at the runtime. And every time we hit this particular get route, it will be sending us a message saying hello from the Node app with the particular port, whatever the port number we give. Pretty simple application. And this is a Docker file. I'm copying everything into app, copying the package destination, run npm install, then copy everything, exposing the port, and just simply running the npm start. Nothing but npm start runs our node index file. That's pretty straightforward. Yeah, docker ignore, you all know, right? Git ignore, node modules, pretty straightforward. Now let's build our docker node application. Actually, docker build rst lohith slash node api dot. Let's build our application and give it a couple of seconds, 10 seconds, something like that. Yep, that's done. Now let's get the latest Nginx image. Okay, let's see the images. Right now we have two images, our node API and the Nginx. Let's go to the let's run the Nginx. Actually, let's see what. Let's run Nginx -p, and let's expose it on 8080. And right now it's 80 on dedicated on 80, and I'm going to give the name as same as Nginx. And we are running the Nginx image. Yep, Nginx has already started, the container started. Let's go to its bash. Let's execute site the Nginx. This is the actually image name Nginx, not the this is actually a container name. Now let's go to the bin bash. Since this doesn't have vim, let's install a vim actually first. Update apt install vim. Yep, now let's clear this one. Now Nginx file is available, Nginx config file is available under etc/nginx/nginx.config. Yep, that's our Nginx config file. Let's do this. Let's modify first. Let's do the proxy. Actually, how to do a proxy, reverse proxy using Nginx. Let's do that one. I'm going to make this config file very simple. We don't need a lot of things over here. Remove the unnecessary things over here. So actually on top of this, listen h80 and server location slash proxy underscore pass http. This is, let's do our proxy right now. Give it another terminal. Let's see, docker. Let's build our docker run. Let's run one container of our node application, docker run -p. Let's give environment variable. First we need environment variable, port 8081, and we are going to run expose 8081, and even the app runs on 8081, and the app name is Lohith slash node API. That's it. One of the instance of Node API started running at 8081. Let's test that one actually. 8081, localhost 8081. Now see the response you get 8081. That's very good. Now what we are going to do is, now we go back to our config file of Nginx and the proxy pass. I'm going to, since these containers are these Nginx and Node API are running in different containers, you can't give localhost. So I'm going to give my IP address over here, 168.0.17 8081. That's it. Now we are after editing Nginx -s reload. Okay. This is supposed to be inside this one. Okay. Now let's hit the Nginx API actually 8080, but still it redirects to our Node API container over here. Right now you see this is our Node API is running at 8081. So we are hitting from 8080 the Nginx, but still it redirects to our API at 8081. So that is called nothing but a reverse proxy. So that way the front end, the client will not know whether on which IP address the backend API is being running. So this is where we actually implement the reverse proxy using Nginx. Now let's do the load balancer actually. Let's do that. That's funny thing actually. Now run the multiple containers over here. Let's 8082. I'm running it on 8082. It's also 8082. Now running it on 8082. Now 8083, 8083, 8083. So now right now we have 3 node applications running on different ports. As you can see, the first 3 are running on 3 different ports, 8083, 8082, 8081. See, let's hit the one 8081. We are getting the responses 8081. 8082, we are getting response 8082. 8083, we are getting 8083. But now let's do the load balancing using Nginx. Now let's go to the terminal, edit this one. Now this time upstream API server 192.168.0.17 at 8081. Server 192.168.0.17 8082. 192.168.0.17 8083. These are the upstreams, and the location in the proxy, just give the upstream name over here like API. That's it. Now you have implemented the load balancer. So what actually happens is, like, beside the upstream you have given API, right? So that's what we are going to give over under proxy pass. So that means whenever Nginx is being hit, what happens is, like, the first request will be served to the 8080, second will go to 8082, third will go to 8083. We can implement some IP hash or some kind of algorithm to reroute the API request to different these backend servers according to the algorithm. But right now it's like a round robin. Look, the first request goes to first request goes to the 8080, second goes to 8083, third goes to the 8083, sorry, and the fourth goes to once again 8081. Let's do that. Let's test that. Let's reload the Nginx once again. Now this time let's see 8080, hit the 8080. It's running at 8081. Now hit it again, 8082, 8083. Keep doing that. It goes sequentially, like one after the other. See, as you can see, you simply implemented the load balancer over here. It's pretty easy. That's how we do load balancing using Nginx and Docker and Node.js. It's pretty easy, right? And pretty fun. So that's how we do it, friends. And let's do a few more videos on Docker using Docker with the Node.js. Some other applications like Redis or MySQL or some other MongoDB using Docker and Node.js and everything in future videos. For this video, that's all. If you have any doubts related to this one, please do post the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.